Welcome to the lecture series of project management. Here I am going to discuss one of the important case study on Enercon India Private Limited and the significance of project management. What is the significance of project management? If any one of the factories getting issue, what will happen? And what are the challenges faced by the project manager? Those things will be discussed with the help of this very important case study. Let us discuss the case study in a simple and easy fashion. So kindly watch the video completely so that you will be getting a better idea. And this case study can be converted as a project as well. So there is a scope for understanding this case study. So let us get started. You can present for your any kind of symposium or seminar, etc. Or if you want to have, you can have a project presentation as well. So moving on to the discussion, let me introduce the company. Enercon, that is started in the year of 1995. It is a joint venture between Enercon GmbH Germany and 50% and Mehra family in India 40% of share. And it mainly deals with the wind energy generator WECS. Okay, it's they are having a new technology like a gearless technology. It offers very less wear and tear and ensuring more mechanical efficiency. Also, there is a for this company they have accreditation like ISO 9001 2000. There is a accreditation, so definitely it ensures the high quality and total quality management also it is going to follow and they provide like a concept of operation and a service in wind power project. The main like a goal of the company is to take various wind wind power projects and they want to install the wind turbine generators. That is a major thing which they are doing actually. This is a brief idea about the company. So what are the services they have offered? Identifying the wind potential sites, site selection they are performing, getting the government permissions, that is also will be done. Then agreements with the electricity board with respect to different states and the central governments. Site preparation and the road construction also will be done using using their policies. WC installation as well as commissioning they are doing. Even transformer and grid connections also performing by this company. Operation and maintenance 95% up uptime guarantee. That also is assuring by this company. Hope you understood the services offered by the company. So organizational setup. Head of the office located at Mumbai. Manufacturing units, there are two. One is at Damandiu. Then employees around 1,000 employees. In that, 500 people are belong to manufacturing, 200 members are for operations, 125 for installation, 50 for the project officers, 70 for the corporate officers, and BDMs located in the major cities at Gujarat, Vadodara. Let us talk about one Nawapur project. Site engineer, name of the site engineer, Mr. Jayan Shah. Problem was 220-ton crane failed. Okay, PCB blown out. 220-ton, you can imagine. Only 6 to 7 cranes in India was available. There is no spare part available. That is another challenges they faced. So for that replacement, it is very high investment is needed. Apart from that, there is a delay of the project. That was the major challenges Mr. Jain Shah faced. And the challenges faced are number one, crane breakdown, crucial equipment stopped. Okay, then heavy monsoon rains in India, slow down the entire work process. Even villagers start protesting because they feared about the turbine effects crops. Whether the turbine effects will be impacting on the crop or not. They're really afraid. Then deadline was on 30th September. There is a delay with the financial penalty and a loss of client trust that also happened. They're their business also about to lose. Project team dilemma because project team they have to manage everything. At a Daman office, wait for the vendor to repair the crane. Other options move another crane team or delay other projects. Final decision with the vice president based on the workload and the cost. Team leader Mr. Prithviraj Rathore had to manage the risk on site. Sir, imagine what are the risks taken by the project manager. It's a heavy risk actually. There are internal as well as external factors, of course. Other one is key project management problems are project execution and control usage. Even core issues are resource constraint, time delay, and risk management. These are the major problem facing by the project managers. So project management is a complicated task, right? So a strong management skill is required because they have to face all the challenges. Is project management is equal to general management? There are similarity it includes planning, organizing, leading, controlling. But there are differences in the sense there should be like a goal-based approach and there should be taken temporary resources need to be identified. Even it's a deadline-driven approach because there are clients are waiting. We have to satisfy their requirement, correct? General management, like continuous and routine operation, there are different. Like if I talk about project management, it should be taken care very utmost care compared to general management. There are huge difference. There are similarity, but there are differences. So lesson learned from this case study is always plan backup for the critical equipment, because for this company, the failure in the crane actually happened. There is no spare part available. So we have to find out a backup. That is very important. Weather and location risk must be assessed very early. They are actually doing the erection in India only, because the India monsoon we have to consider. Okay, that also very important. Weather forecasting, weather prediction, everything is mandatory. Handle stakeholders and community issues very carefully. Otherwise, they will like those who are farmers and villagers. So they may afraid. Before that, they would have given the awareness to the stakeholders, especially like villagers. Maintain strong communication between the team. That is very, very important, because communication plays most important role. Decision making under the pressure shows true leadership. They should have they have to take up a good decision. That's very, very important, because decision making is very important for especially all the kind of management. In project management, it is critically important. It is very crucial. So ultimately, Enercon India's Nawapur project shows how one equipment failure can affect the entire project. Of course, importance of planning, risk control, and teamwork. That's also one of the most important thing of project management. Project success depends on timely decision and adaptability. These are the things which you can understand from the detailed case study. So whenever you are planning for a new project, definitely you have to communicate with the team leader, with the team leaders, and you have to communicate with the subordinate. Proper communication should be flow from top to bottom. Apart from that, you have to identify the temporary resources. In addition to that, you have to find out weather forecasting, proper area. You have to identify the weather, external parameters. Moreover, you have to give the awareness to the people, those who are around, in and around the project. I mean, those who are staying nearby the places. You are supposed to give the awareness. That's also very, very important. I hope you understood. Okay, so when you take up a new project, please consider these criterias. Of course, you can have a success. Okay, so this case study you can convert into symposium, or you can do a project also. So data collection need to be done. You can visit the website and you can find out the data collection. We require some kind of results that has to be generated. If you require such kind of projects, kindly contact me. My mail ID is already available in the video description box. You can directly mail me. I'll reply. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm very happy that you patiently you paid your valuable time on me. Subscribe, like, comment, and share for getting the similar kind of video, and stay getting updated. Happy learning. Wish you all the very best, and let us see for similar kind of case study in the forthcoming session. Happy learning. Have a great day. Thank you all.